organized 9 side hustles ranked in 3 levels based on money and skill. If you don't have any money or skill yet, don't worry, I've got you covered. A little bit about me: I've earned thousands through dropshipping and my marketing agency, and I want to help you make money too. Now let's kick it off with level 1, where you don't need any money and you don't need any skill. At this level, we're really utilizing time so that we can make money and we can work our way up the pyramid. Side hustle number 1 is to become a content critic. This is where you're going to provide unbiased, honest feedback to content creators. This is a skill that's really valuable to creators because they're always looking to get more views. There's also the potential to earn a lot of money because the bigger your clients, the more you can get paid. Side hustle number 2 is to flip Instagram pages. With this side hustle, you really want to niche down and learn how to organically grow an Instagram following. As you build up your following, you're going to get new opportunities through brand deals and advertising, and it's a really great way to make money. Best of all, you can flip your profile and you can do it all over again. And flip that like button so I can keep making more videos like this. Now we're at level 2, and this is where you're going to require some skill but still no money. This is where you start to develop the skills for higher paying side hustles. For side hustle number 3, you can design thumbnails. With the huge growth that we're seeing in content, people now want to make their videos more attractive to get more views. There's a little bit of psychology involved to create a good thumbnail, and if you can help people generate more views, they're going to reward you with more pay. The best place to start is YouTube, and you have the potential to be earning up to $1,000 a day. Side hustle number 4 is tutoring. Nowadays, you don't even need to meet face to face because it's so easy to meet online. You could be meeting clients all over the world, all within a day. This side hustle isn't limited to school. I've even seen tutors for video games. And better yet, it has the potential to earn up to $250 an hour if you're good. Side hustle number 5 is organic dropshipping. When I originally got into dropshipping, the best way to make money was through paid advertising, and that was using Facebook. Nowadays, with the explosion of TikTok, you can use organic advertising to reach customers and you have no marketing costs. And even better, you're learning how to create videos, which can then translate into creating content for YouTube. This side hustle can make anywhere from $500 a day up to $5,000 a day plus. And side hustle number 6, I think, is a really great way to start, and that is becoming a high ticket closer. You don't need to have a high education, you don't need money, all you need is a willingness to learn. It helps a lot if you have confidence, but what you really need is determination and discipline to continue learning the skills to close clients. Becoming a high ticket closer means you're selling expensive products or services, and that also means that you can get paid more. For this side hustle, you want to look at high value deals for influencers and businesses. Now we're moving on to the third level, where you need some money and you need some skills. At side hustle number 7, we have web design. This is actually a lot easier than it used to be because so many softwares are now click and drag. Back when I started, I had a basic understanding of coding and I was doing WordPress and Shopify. There are 2 ways you can go in web design. One is through templates and the other is through coding. Once you've mastered the skills, you can offer them to clients for a significant income. Even in the short time that I did this, it was easy to charge anywhere between $500 to $2,000 per client. Side hustle number 8 is selling digital products. You can be as creative as you like in this space. You can create templates, ebooks, courses. The best part about digital dropshipping is you don't have the shipping times and you have full control over the product. Most of the time I used to spend managing my dropshipping store was just dealing with customer complaints. Plus, you didn't always know what your supplier was sending to the customers. For this side hustle, you can use TikTok to post organic videos, or you can use paid ads. And side hustle number 9 is starting a software business. It's not something I recommend to start with because it's a fast moving industry and it can cost a lot of money. But on the flip side, if you can get it to work, you can make a lot of money and you can do it really quick. There's plenty of opportunities, and the great thing about software business is it's really easy to scale. Give this video a like so I can help you find more side hustles and make you more money.